Parts of plants. Plants have many parts. Each part of a plant helps the plant get what it needs. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The roots also hold the plant in the ground. Stems support the plant's leaves and flowers. The stems also carry water and nutrients to the other plant part. Leaves make food for the plant. Leaves use sunlight and air to make the food. Most plants also have flowers. Flowers help plants make new plants. The flowers make seeds, and then the seeds grow into the new plants. Where do animals live? Do you think polar bears could live in a desert? How about fish? Animals live in different places. The place where an animal lives is its habitat. Animals can have food and stay safe in their habitat. A forest habitat has many trees. Animals like deer, squirrels, and rabbits live. A rainforest gets rains almost every day and it's hot all year. Snakes, lizards, and crocodiles live there. A desert is very dry and has lots of sand. Small animals like rats, scorpions, and spiders live there. A grassland is covered with grass. Zebras, giraffes, and elephants live there. A tundra is a very cold and polar bears and caribou live there. Weather. Every day when people wake up, they look outside. What are they doing? They are checking the weather. Weather affects our daily lives a lot. What is weather? Weather is what the air outside is like. The weather can be sunny, cloudy, rainy, or snowy. It can change in a few hours or day to day. How can you measure weather? We use some tools to measure the weather. A thermometer measures temperature. Temperature shows how warm or cold the air is. We measure the temperature in units called degrees. Some tools measure wind or rain. A weather vane indicates the direction of the wind. A rain gauge is used to find out how much rain falls. Water habitats. Water covers most of the earth, so there are many water habitats. These include ponds, lakes, rivers, and oceans. Oceans are the Earth's biggest habitats. An ocean is a very large body of salt water. There is a lot of undersea life in the oceans. Some animals like plankton are so tiny that you can barely see them. Others, such as whales, are the largest animals on the earth. Ponds, lakes, and rivers have fresh water. Many fish live in fresh water too. How do fish breathe in the water? Animals on land have lungs to breathe air, but fish have gills. Fish use gills to take an oxygen from water. The 4 seasons. In many places, the weather changes with each season. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. In spring, the weather gets warmer. Most plants begin to grow. In some places, it rains a lot during spring. In summer, the weather is usually very hot. It is warmest season of the year. The days in summer are long, so there are many hours of sunlight. When fall comes, the weather gets cooler. The leaves change colors and fall off the trees. Winter is the coldest season of the year. In some places, it snows a lot during winter. Also, The days in winter are short, so there are few hours of daylight during winter.